7 strategies for dealing with the debt collectors. How does someone begin to deal with the debt collectors, especially when they seem to be following you around like a shadow? What are the types of debt collectors? Internal debt collectors, collectors that work for the company you owe money to. Collection agency, come in when your lender can't make a deal with you. Debt buyers, lenders that have failed to collect a debt and sell it. 7 steps for handling debt collectors. Know your rights. The FDCPA outlines how debt collectors can and can't interact with you. Don't ignore debt collectors. Debt collectors can provide negative intel to credit reporting companies that remain on your credit report for 7 years. Know the facts. Be well informed so you avoid being taken advantage of. Don't let them pressure you. Don't just make a payment because a debt collector contacts you. Take time to think about your options. Have a written agreement. Don't do anything before having it in writing. Communicate via certified mail. Any correspondence with a debt collector should be via certified mail. This way, communications can be proved. Look into hiring a debt manager. Find an accredited counseling agency to work out a payment plan for your budget. If you find yourself in a situation dealing with debt collectors, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You just have to take it one step at a time.
Check out the Phenix Group blog for more helpful tips at thephenixgroup.com/blog.